Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today's music video reaction, I'm going to be reacting to the new song from the upcoming Malayalam film Malik. The song is called Theerume, and firstly, I'm really excited to listen to this song. Firstly, because it is Sushin Shyam's composition and I absolutely love his compositions. Second reason is that the playback singers, the legendary K.S. Chitra ma'am and the awesome Suraj Santosh, both of their vocals. I already know I'm gonna love this song because their vocals are just heavenly. So Sushil Shyam's composition plus their vocals, and the lyrics are written by Anwar Ali. So this is like a very fiery combination, and I'm really excited. This is only the lyric video, so I'm guessing they'll just show the lyrics with the song. Probably they're not going to be more visuals, but I don't know if they have. Mostly they don't have the translation, but I'll just. Oh, English percent. Oh, because okay, this has gotten me even more excited because I absolutely did not expect that they will have the translations done. Oh, I just thought that maybe only the lyrics will be coming on screen. Okay, wow. Okay, this is exciting. I'm down now. Yes. Let's just begin. So now I'll enjoy the song even more. I will enjoy the song even more knowing what they're actually singing. So yes, let's begin the reaction for Theerume.
ചന്ദിരപ്പുതുനാരിയിൻ മനം കൊള്ളെ ജോറിലുവാ മാരനെ ശോഭിയിൽ ശുടർ വന്നു.
Look at this visual. Wow.
തെളിവോടെ മാറാ രസമോടെ
തീരമേ നീറുമല കടലാഴമേ ദൂരമേ ഹൃദയദ്വീപിലുദിച്ച ശോണരൂപനിൻ സൂര്യനേ തീക്ഷ്ണമായി പുൽകകിരണകരങ്ങളാൽ ഇവളെ നീ ആകാശമേ കഥയിലെ ഹൂറിയോ ഞാൻ കടൽ നടുക്കോ നിന്റെ മരതക ഗൃഹം കരുതി വച്ചു നീ എനിക്കായി അപരിചിതപുരം ഇവിടമോ ശരണാലയം നീ തരും കരുണാകരം നമ്മളെത്തിയ പവിഴദ്വീപഹൃദം തേടിയ തീരം
I'm sorry. I know I don't usually pause in music videos, but I want to run that back again from the beginning because it sounds so beautiful. Oh my god, Chitra ma'am sounds. Her vocals. Once again, guys. Now I'll not pause.
മാരനെ ശോഭിയിൽ ശുടർ വന്നെരിന്തും തെളിവോടെ മാറാ രസമോടെ
I'm sorry, I paused again. I'm sorry. But I'm saying that even I feel that the translations over here, I feel that something is still getting lost in the translation because it might have an even deeper meaning. Huh?
തീരമേ നീറുമല കടലാഴമേ ദൂരമേ ഹൃദയദ്വീപിലുദിച്ച ശോണരൂപനിൻ സൂര്യനേ തീക്ഷ്ണമായി പുൽകകിരണകരങ്ങളാൽ ഇവളെ നീ ആകാശമേ കഥയിലെ ഹൂറിയോ ഞാൻ കടൽ നടുക്കോ നിന്റെ മരതക ഗൃഹം കരുതി വച്ചു നീ എനിക്കായി അപരിചിതപുരം ഇവിടമോ ശരണാലയം നീ തരും കരുണാകരം നമ്മളെത്തിയ പവിഴദ്വീപഹൃദം തേടിയ തീരം
പകലിനെ സ്നേഹാന്ധമാ ജ്വലൽ സൂര്യനാൽ നീളിടുമ്പോഴൻ പ്രാണനിൽ പകരുമിരമ്പ കടൽ ചിരം നീ പെരും കടലനുരാഗമേ ഒരേ രാഗതാളങ്ങളാൽ നീർനിതാ
കൊയ്ത്തീരങ്ങൾ താരാട്ടാൻ പുലർക്കാറ്റായി നീ അരികിൽ ഞാനറിയാതാലോലമായി കഥയിലെ ഹൂറി എന്നെ കാത്തിരുന്നു നിന്റെ മരതകഗൃഹം കരുതി വച്ചു നീ എനിക്കായി സ്വപ്നമധുരിതപുരം ഇവിടെ നിൻ പ്രണയാലയം എന്റെ പ്രാർത്ഥനയായിടും നമ്മളെത്തിയ പവിഴദ്വീപഹൃദം തേടിയ തീരം തീരമേ തീരമേ നീറുമല കടലാഴമേ ദൂരമേ ഹൃദയദ്വീപിലുദിച്ച ശോണരൂപനിൻ സൂര്യനെ തീക്ഷ്ണമായി പുൽക കിരണകരങ്ങളാൽ ഇവളെ നീ
Firstly, RIP, replay button, because this is going to be replayed multiple times now. This song is immediately getting added to my regional gems playlist. Oh my god. I cannot express in words how beautiful this song is. I need a moment. I'm just. How did you feel the first time when you listened to this? I want to know your thoughts, guys. When you watched this video for the first time, what was your reaction? You are already seeing my reaction, but I want to know. I never ask you guys this, but I want to know what was your reaction when you watched this, when you listened to the song. Okay. Let's start with the lyrics. Like, the metaphors used was just fantastic. The entire lyrics, the entire song is completely metaphorical. Like, they are expressing their love for each other through just metaphors. Like, the beginning, couple of beginning lines which Chitra ma'am sings, those were probably my favorite ones. That line, the one line which completely is ringing in my ears is when she says that, "Oh sky," when refers to him like for the sun as the sky, as the seashore. There's so many metaphors, like like embrace me. Completely embrace me. Oh sky, completely embrace me in your arms. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The lyrics, I don't know if something is getting still lost in the translation, but whatever I've read, I'm sorry, this is some really good lyrics that I'm so happy that this had the translation. I'm so happy. Personally, I'm very happy. Otherwise, I would have enjoyed the song. The song is such that I still would have loved it. Nonetheless, I still would have loved it. But now, when I know the meaning, when I'm reading the lyrics also, the impact is very different. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. That's the first thing. Second, Sushil Sham. I mean, dude, what you did right now, what this your creation, this song, the composition is probably one of the best songs that I have listened to overall. I'm saying, if I just have to think about the songs, so many songs from the Malayalam film industry, movie songs that I have listened to, this definitely is there on the top with some of my other favorites. I mean, just fantastic. Third, the playback singing. Chitra ma'am and Suraj Santosh both sang well. But Chitra ma'am, she takes the cake over here. She has, the voice is so mesmerizing. It just puts you in a dreamland. It just takes you to heaven. This is what is a perfect example. This is a perfect example of what you call as heavenly vocals. Everything about her vocals just shook me in the best possible way. And I really loved how well, Chitra ma'am's vocal and Suraj's vocal, they really blended well together. And both of them, the way they sung it, it had emotion. They were not just singing it. It had feelings, it had emotions, it had everything. What a fantastic song. This is, like I said, RIP replay button of my phone. This is getting added to my playlist immediately, and I'm gonna blast this song now, on repeat mode. Oh man, specifically before sleeping, I'm gonna listen to this song, and I'm just gonna be in heaven then. Such a blissful sleep I'll have. So yes, that was my reaction for Tirame lyrical video. Just beautiful. This made my evening. My evening is gonna go so well now because I've listened to this song. So yes, that was my reaction, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I want to know your thoughts. Like I asked you before, what was your reaction when, after you listened to the song? And can I just say my favorite part before I sign off is that in the beginning, when Chitra ma'am finishes her entire, the pre-chorus, all of that, and then the beat drops. That's my favorite part. My favorite part there. Alright. So yes, I'll sign off now. I hope you've enjoyed this reaction. I've come till the end of the video. Yes, I will see you soon on my next video, guys. Bye-bye.